Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the latest UAD core and firmware, then authorize plugins. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, physically connect your Apollo via Thunderbolt or USB and power it on so the hardware is visible. Next, open the UAD console and set the system sample rate to match your project, 44, 1 or 48 kHz, then create and confirm input and monitor path assignments. Make sure console is configured before opening Logic. This avoids resampling and routing errors when you load the DAW. You switch to Logic Pro X and choose Apollo as the core audio device in Audio Preferences. This links the DAW to the console I/O. Then create audio tracks and assign each track's input to the corresponding Apollo/console virtual channel so the signal flows exactly as routed. While tracking, use the UAD console for near-zero latency monitoring and insert UAD plugins there for tone without taxing Logic's CPU. Also, make sure track record enable and input monitoring are active in Logic, so you hear console process. You arm the tracks in Logic and set clean input levels inside the UAD console so you don't clip preamps. Then record in Logic while monitoring through console or Logic software monitor depending on latency needs. Once finished, save the console session and your Logic project to preserve routing and plugin instances. If you run into no sound or strange pops, check that Apollo is the core audio device. Confirm sample rate match between console and Logic, and restart the UAD service or drivers. This single-step restart resolves most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.